In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automated reminders and follow-ups to your Calendly meetings. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable reminder email that goes out automatically so your guests show up prepared and on time. Start in your Calendly dashboard and open Workflows. Workflows are Calendly's automation hub. They let you trigger actions like emails based on what's happening with your events. To move quickly, choose the email reminder to invitee template. This gives you a ready-made structure you can customize instead of building from scratch. Give your workflow a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to have different reminders for different meeting types. Next, choose which event types this workflow should apply to. You can target a single event or apply it broadly across multiple types. If you run different formats like phone screens, demos, or coaching sessions, select only the ones that make sense for this reminder. Now set the timing. Open the When This Happens section and click Edit. Choose the trigger for before the event starts. Then decide how long beforehand the reminder should send. You can use minutes, hours, or days. Pick what fits your audience and lead time. For example, put a day before for standard meetings, or 30 minutes before if people often book same day. Click Done to save the timing. With the schedule in place, customize the message itself. In the Do This section, click Edit to adjust the email. Start with a short, informative subject line that sets expectations, like a reminder that includes the meeting name or date. In the body, keep your tone friendly and helpful. Reinforce the meeting purpose, include any prep your guests should complete, and point them to key details. Calendly can automatically pull in things like the event name, date and time in the invitee's time zone and location or join links, so you don't have to paste those manually each time. If you want guests to confirm they're still able to attend, turn on Include Reconfirmation button. This adds a clear call to action that helps reduce no-shows and gives you a heads up if someone can't make it. When your edits look good, click Done to save. That's it. Your workflow will now send polished reminder emails on the schedule you define. Everything lives in one place, so it's easy to adjust timing or wording later as your process evolves. And while today we focused on pre-meeting reminders, the same workflow editor also supports after-meeting messages for gentle follow-ups. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.